All right, guys, you hear us talk about deliberate practice in our videos and our classes. What does that mean? Well, it doesn't mean perfect practice because that's subjective to the individual's preferences or what works for you. It's not deliberate practice, though. Okay, so deliberate basically means expert level practice, even if you're not an expert. So once you find what works for you and you go out and you attempt to achieve a higher level of success, you have to do that by focusing on the processes in order to achieve the goal. So forget about the goal for a second. Let's start slow and then speed up. So I'll give you an example with speed reloads. But you can do this with anything else, tack reloads, malfunctions, doing it from the draw, or doing carbine work or shotgun work. Be deliberate. So right now I've set my target down range at 10 yards. I've got my feet set. I've got my kinesthetic alignments set up here. And what I'm going to do is make sure that my gun is set up. So right now I've got a round in the chamber. I've got a full mag in the gun. So what I'm going to do is tack reload an empty mag into the gun and put my speed reload source where it needs to be. Okay? So I'm going to start this drill from what we call relaxed ready position. Not compressed, not tense, just relaxed. Okay? And now I'm going to get into a focus mode. I'm going to take all 5 seconds, and I don't have a shot clock. I don't need one right now to do this. But I'm going to count out loud for you guys, or you can do it in your head, and make sure that you take all the time for just one reload, one. All right, so here's what it looks like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. All right, so there's that 5-second reload. Now the drill's not done until I set the gun back up. Keep your feet still. Don't do a lot of jittery movements and stuff. Pick up the mag, tack, reload the empty back in, you're ready to go again. So I could do this a couple more times at 5, or I could jump to 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and then set yourself up again, minimizing excessive or waste movements. And then I'll do it in 3. 3, 2, 1, fire. So I'm working down ever so slightly in time. Set myself up again. And then I'll do it in 2 seconds. 2, 1, fire. So there's your 2 seconds right there. But I feel like I have a lifetime because I started slow and worked down deliberately to get to a goal. Now I might stop here, take a mental or physical break, go get some water or something, come back, and then start the process again. And I might do that for the next 20 or 30 minutes deliberately. All right? So don't forget that. Deliberate practice, guys, in your training. I'm Travis Haley. Stay sharp and be safe. Thanks for joining me.